Do you think you're fit enough? Well, take this 60-second workout challenge and see the results for yourself. Are you ready? Let's go! In order to maintain your body's metabolic rate, it requires energy. Where does that energy come from? It comes from the food you eat, which is then stored as fat or broken down into glucose. Glucose is the primary source of energy for your cells. When you exercise, your body uses up glucose, but it also taps into your stored energy reserves, breaking them down into usable energy. But have you ever wondered what happens when you don't have enough energy? That's where things can get really interesting. Now, let me ask you another question. What if I told you that you could maintain your energy levels, improve your sleep quality, reduce stress, and increase your metabolism all by simply staying hydrated? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's actually a reality. And it all starts with understanding the science behind these processes. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at absorbing water, which means that even mild dehydration can lead to a host of unpleasant symptoms. Even a slight decrease in water intake can lead to dehydration, affecting your energy levels, mood, and cognitive function. This is because water is essential for transporting nutrients and oxygen to our cells, regulating body temperature, and removing waste products. Without enough water, our bodies can't function properly, leading to fatigue, brain fog, and decreased performance. Let's dive deeper into the science. Our bodies are like machines that need fuel to run smoothly, and that fuel is water. When we're dehydrated, it's like trying to run a car on an empty tank. Nothing runs smoothly. Our bodies absorb water through osmosis, meaning that water moves from areas of low solute concentration to areas of high solute concentration. When we drink water, it gets absorbed into our bloodstream and then distributed throughout our bodies. This helps to maintain the balance of fluids and electrolytes, which is crucial for proper cell function. But there's more to water than just hydration. It's also involved in many of our body's metabolic processes. For example, water is a key component of our sweat, which helps to cool us down when we get hot. It also helps to lubricate our joints and protect our organs and tissues. Additionally, water is involved in the production of saliva, which aids in digestion. Now, let's talk about the benefits of staying hydrated. When we drink water, our bodies use it to transport nutrients and oxygen to our cells. This means that we have the energy we need to power through our workouts and our days. But it's not just about having energy. Staying hydrated also helps us focus and concentrate better. Dehydration can cause brain fog and make it hard to think clearly. But when we're well hydrated, we're able to think more clearly and make better decisions. In fact, even mild dehydration can impair cognitive function. Reaction times are slowed, making it more difficult to perform tasks that require quick thinking. Studies have shown that even a small decrease in water intake can lead to significant decreases in cognitive performance. These findings are supported by other studies which have shown that dehydration can impair attention, memory, and overall cognitive function. But it's not just our brains that benefit from staying hydrated. When we drink water, our bodies use it to regulate our temperature, which helps us stay comfortable and focused. In fact, even a slight decrease in body temperature can lead to decreased performance and fatigue. So next time you feel thirsty, reach for a glass of water and feel the difference. Your body will thank you. Staying hydrated is one of the most important things we can do for our bodies. Not only does it help us physically, but it also improves our mental clarity and focus. It's easy to forget to drink enough water throughout the day, but setting reminders or using a water tracking app can help. So why wait? Start tracking your water intake today and see the difference it makes in your energy levels, focus, and overall health. We've barely scratched the surface of what is possible when it comes to optimizing our bodies for peak performance. There are many other factors to consider, such as diet, sleep, and stress management. But today, we've learned that staying hydrated is a simple yet powerful way to improve our physical and mental game. And remember, it's not just about chugging gallons of water. It's about making small changes that fit into your lifestyle and making them stick. So start by setting reminders or using a water tracking app to help you stay on top of your water intake. You may be surprised at how much of a difference it can make in your energy levels, focus, and overall health. So what are you waiting for? Start tracking your water intake today and see the difference it makes. Your body will thank you for it. Remember, every journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And your journey to optimal health begins with a glass of water. So take that first step today and see where it takes you.